In this first application showcasing the next generation of tiled bathrooms, we're going to show you how to create a custom steam room. We'll be using materials that are entirely created for the tile installation that give comprehensive moisture management. From the tile backing, to the building elements, to the waterproofing and different drains and tile trims, Schluter Systems offers everything needed to create a steam room as the next generation bathroom. Schluter Kerdi board is the ideal substrate for tile installation. Many substrates encountered in new buildings and renovations are unsuitable for tile installation, especially in areas with high moisture. Kerdi board is lightweight, so it is easy to place and support during the installation. Here, half-inch thick Kerdi board is being installed to the wood studs. Schluter Kerdi board can be applied vertically or horizontally directly to the wood and metal framing with screws and corresponding washers. Screws may be placed between adjacent panels such that the washers fasten both panel edges. With Kerdi board, the tile backing and waterproofing are installed at the same time, and the tile setter has complete control over their project. Now that we have fastened the Kerdi board to the stud walls, we're going to create a partition. The construction of such walls using masonry blocks or stud framing with sheathing is time-consuming and requires further preparation before the tile can be set. We're going to use Kerdi board as a building element and without any framing create a partition wall with Kerdi board and related accessories. We're fastening the Kerdi board ZB and the Kerdi board ZW profiles to the wall and ceiling to provide lateral stability for the partition wall. The panels of Kerdi board are buttered with thin-set mortar and placed into the U-shaped profile secured to the back wall. The thin-set mortar allows adjustment for leveling of the board. We continue this process using the thin-set mortar between the boards to stabilize the connection. The final board is placed against the ceiling, abutting to the Kerdi board ZW. Open-ended partition walls can be further stabilized and finished with the Kerdi board ZA profile. Waterproofing and vapor management are essential in a steam shower, including the ceiling. In this case, the gypsum board ceiling was already installed, and we are going to be using the 3/16 Kerdi board to protect the gypsum board and ceiling cavity from vapor penetration. In steam showers, ceilings are sloped to avoid condensation from dripping onto occupants. Since the ceiling is already in place, we are going to bond the Kerdi board directly to it. With a simple thin-set mortar application, we can install the Kerdi board directly above our heads with no mess. The Kerdi board will protect the ceiling from the moisture and vapor penetration. Now that the Kerdi board has been installed to the walls, we need to complete the preparation of the substrate by waterproofing with the Kerdi band and Kerdi seals. To ensure that a fully waterproof, vapor-tight assembly is achieved, Kerdi seals are installed at the shower head, mixing valve, and steam inlet with unmodified thin-set mortar. Schluter Kerdi band is applied to all seams and fastener heads, also using unmodified thin-set mortar. The walls are now waterproof, vapor-tight, and ready for tile. Our walls are now completely waterproof in our steam room. Our next step is to create a tiered bench for seating using Schluter Kerdi board as a building element. Kerdi board can be used to quickly and simply create flat, plumb, square, and waterproof shower benches. We are using thin-set mortar on the horizontal surfaces in order to help with leveling, while Kerdi Fix is used for vertical adhesion. Many of the materials commonly used to build benches, such as wood and gypsum board, are moisture sensitive and require additional preparation prior to setting tile. Otherwise, problems such as warping, twisting, leaks, and mold growth may occur. Kerdi board gives the tile setters more control over their projects and allows them to create the perfect covering, whether using mosaics or large format tiles. Our next step is to finish waterproofing our bench seating. Since we built the bench out of Kerdi board, the only other step required before the bench is ready for tile is to seal the seams and corners. Kerdi band is applied at the seams of the bench with unmodified thin-set mortar. The corners are treated with Kerdi Carrick corners. The bench is now waterproof, vapor tight, and ready for tile. Schluter Systems prefabricated foam shower substrates provide a lightweight and easy to install alternative to the traditional mortar bed. In this application, we're going to be installing both a shower tray and a shower ramp. The Schluter Kerdi Shower ST shower tray is a sloped, expanded polystyrene tray that is specifically designed to integrate with the Schluter Kerdi drain. The tray is available in a variety of sizes. Here, we're installing the 6x6 shower tray using thin-set mortar. The tray could easily be cut to size or extended with mortar. The Schluter Kerdi Shower SR shower ramp is specifically designed to facilitate the construction of access ramps for tiled showers. Similar to the shower tray, the shower ramp is lightweight and easy to install using thin-set mortar. It allows the installation of a gentle slope without having to feather mortar. We've installed our shower substrates. It's time to install the Schluter Kerdi drain. The Schluter Kerdi drain is installed on top of the shower tray or mortar bed with thin-set mortar. The drain features an integrated bonding flange that ensures a secure connection to the Kerdi membrane at the top of the assembly. The drain also features a fully adjustable grate assembly to simplify tile layout and installation. Now we're ready to apply the Schluter Kerdi waterproofing membrane. Barrier-free tiled showers rely on the slope of the floor to effectively contain water in the immediate shower area and direct water to the drain. Waterproofing should be continued over the entire floor. By making the waterproofing continuous throughout the room, both the wet and drying areas are fully protected. Schluter Ditra is an uncoupling membrane that is designed to allow the installation of ceramic and stone tile over any even and load-bearing substrate. Schluter Ditra not only offers uncoupling, but waterproofing as well. This is essential in applications such as a barrier-free bathroom where moisture can be expected outside of the shower area. Since the matting itself is waterproof, the only extra step we need to take is to seal the Ditra at the seams and the floor-to-wall connections with Kerdi band. Schluter Kerdi is a bonded waterproof membrane that allows the direct application of tile. Since Schluter Kerdi functions as both a waterproofing membrane and a vapor retarder, it is ideal for steam shower applications. Kerdi protects the shower base from water and vapor penetration and is easy to install using thin-set mortar. As a sheet membrane, Kerdi guarantees uniform thickness for reliable installation and performance. Waterproofing should be continued over the entire floor. By making the waterproofing continuous throughout the room, both the wet and drying areas are fully protected. The steam room is now completely waterproof, vapor tight, and ready for tile. With new formats and trends in tiles, oftentimes trim pieces such as bullnose or quarter round can limit design options. Using Schluter profiles to trim out the tile installation completely opens up the tile selection because they can be integrated with any field tile, allowing any option for tile design. Around the perimeter, we are using Dilex EKE profile. The profile is installed along with the tile using thin-set mortar to anchor the profile into the installation. Dilex EKE provides a straight, uniform, and discrete joint that eliminates sealant at inside corners. Schluter Dilex EKE prevents surface water penetration and features a tile pocket that hides cut tile edges. As a decorative edging profile, we are using Schluter Quadec. The profile will provide a square, modern finish when installed. Though tiles are extremely durable, their edges are vulnerable to chipping and cracking if left unprotected. Schluter profiles are designed to produce a long-lasting installation by protecting tile edges from damage and are available in a variety of materials, finishes, and colors. The next generation bathroom offers you endless design possibilities that were once challenging to achieve with conventional building materials. Schluter Systems' holistic approach to the barrier-free bathroom allows the ideal environment for tile to be installed and creates a completely waterproof and vapor-tight bathroom.